Hey, my name is Alex. In our last video, you have already learned how to commission the new Trio power supply with integrated electronic device circuit breakers. Today, you're going to see how the unit operates in different load situations and how these are indicated by the smart and simple LED signalization. As we can see, the Trio power device is in normal operation. That is shown by the green DCOK LED on the left of the device that indicates the status of the overall unit, and by the 8-channel LED push buttons which indicate each channel status. In case there's a failure at one channel, the device will shut off this particular channel to protect the other circuits. Let's see what happens in case of a short circuit. The channel trips and cuts off the circuit. This is indicated by the red channel LED. After 5 seconds, the LED starts flashing red to show that it is ready to reset. By pushing the button, we can bring it back to normal operation mode. The device circuit breaker does not just protect from short circuits, it also protects from overload. In case the load current is higher than 80% of the nominal current of the channel LED lights yellow to give a pre-warning. If the current raises higher than 120% of the nominal current, the LED will start flashing yellow and red to indicate that it is about to trip. After 5 seconds, the channel trips based on the tripping curve, what is indicated by the solid red LED. Just like for the short circuit case, the LED flashes red after 5 seconds when the channel is ready to reset. Just by pushing the button, the unit is set back to standard operation. As you can see, the overall handling, commissioning and operation of the Trio power supplies with integrated electronic device circuit breakers is very easy, fast and simple. Thanks for watching and empower your machine with Trio Power.